Hi, this is Christa Joy with Special Needs for Special Kids here with another edition of Free Worksheet Wednesday. This week is inspired by Roald Dahl. So September 13th, which is this Wednesday, is Roald Dahl Day. So this activity comes from my novel unit on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Students will take a shot at inventing their own candy. So there's some guided questions here that they can answer about what their own candy would taste like, look like, those kind of things. And then at the end, they can draw what their new candy looks like and give it a name. So I hope that you enjoy that activity. It inspires you maybe to pick up a Roald Dahl book this week. It is in black and white. There is a link to a digital version as well, and you can download this worksheet right now using the link below this video. I'm Christa Joy with Special Needs for Special Kids, and I'll see you next week with another free worksheet.